What are the cultural practices to get rid of moss? And this is from one YouTube. So he wants to get rid of moss culturally.
Yes.
Culturally.
Well, I know that it would basically show up in very acidic soils.
Okay.
So one suggestion I would have to him is obviously to add lime to raise the pH. The other practices I'm not really familiar with, but I just know that's why you have it.
Okay. Let me help you out with the other ones. One, if you have poorly drained soils, okay, compact soils, acidic soils you already covered, and a little shade.
Okay.
So if you have all of those, then yeah, you're gonna have the perfect ingredients for moss.
And I like moss.
And most people like moss.
And
there are a lot of moss lawns now.
Yes.
Yes,
In
absolutely.
Japan, some beautiful gardens. In California, some beautiful gardens with moss where they work years and years to establish moss.
Yes.
Yeah, we definitely have those here. Keep the leaves off of them,
Yes.
okay? And they will be just fine. But of course, he wants to get rid of it
wants to get
culturally.
rid of it,
so you have to improve your drainage, aerate your soil, get your soil tested,
Yes.
all right? And maybe limb up a couple of trees, to
Yes.
get some sunlight down. That's the way to get rid of it culturally.
Yes.
Culturally. But again, like Miss Randy said, it's beautiful.
I think so.
I've seen it. I actually have a patch of it in my own yard.
Yes.
Yes.
Looks fine to me. But I know why I have it culturally. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.